What's up, Volcano fans? Today we're checking out the Volcano Earth Series wired mouse because sometimes you just want a mouse that clicks with you. Literally. First off, comfort is king. This mouse has an ergonomic design, so your hand won't feel like you've wrestled a bear after a long day of work. So whether you're left-handed or right-handed or somewhere in between, it doesn't matter. This mouse is ambidextrous because we know that you're unstoppable no matter which hand is leading the way. You can plug it in with its 1.35 meter USB cable and you're ready to go. No rocket science, just simple, reliable connection. You can also enjoy consistently smooth, accurate cursor tracking for browsing, gaming, and designing with its 1200 DPI sensitivity. If you're on Mac or Windows, this little guy gets along with everyone. No awkward compatibility issues, just good vibes. So if you want a comfy, no-fuss wired mouse that won't leave your hand feeling stiff and cramped, the Volcano Earth Series is definitely worth a click. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Volcano reviews. We'll see you next time.